Morning ma'am, my name is Lucky Bahuja and I am a student of AI/ML branch from Manual section. Today I am going to show my bank system account, how it works. First we have an enum called menu option which consists of several functions called add account, deposit, withdraw, transfer, print or rollback and quit. Here, enum allows us to perform one function at a time. Then we have a class called account in which we declare balance and name variable as a private. Then we have a function called account. We have a constructor called account, same as the class name. Then we have a function called deposit in which we have given condition that if the amount is entered which is greater than 0, only the amount will be credited. If the amount is negative 0 or a character, then it will be the users option again to enter a valid amount. Then we have a withdraw function in which we have given condition that if amount is greater than 0, then only the money will be debited. And we have given the operator and means first condition should be true and second should always be true to perform a function. Then it checks if the balance amount is less than or equal to the amount in the account of the user. If yes, then the transaction will proceed, else false. Then we have the print function which prints the value of the private variables stored. Then we have abstract classes. So what are abstract classes? Abstract classes are those which consist of abstract functions and concrete functions. Here we have then underscore amount variable which is protected. We have several protected function. It means that they can only be accessed in the inherited class this transaction. Then we have the abstract function. So what are abstract function means that the abstract function are those functions which are mandatory to be implemented into inherited class. If they are not implemented, there will be an error. Then going on, we have a class deposit transaction which inherits a transaction class. So here transaction class is parent class and deposit transaction is child class. So what is the use of inheritance? So we have used the whole code of the we can use whole method of the transaction class into the child class, which means that we have not to write code again and again, which makes users to reusable their codes. Then we have override the function from the parent class by using the override function. Then we have again override the function execute from the parent class. Then we have a class called withdraw transaction which inherits transaction. Here again withdraw transaction is a parent child class and transaction is a parent class. Then going on, then we have the class called bank system. Here we have the do deposit, do withdraw functions which proceeds and take care of all the transactions. Same as the do withdraw, we have the do transfer, which means that if there are two accounts in the bank, one person can deposit or withdraw from second or first account. Then we have the do rollback function, which means that if the payment is proceeded and we have to undo the transaction, so the rollback function is used and comes into the play. Then we have the while loop, means that it runs again and again, keep asking users until he gets all work done there. So it's all about the code. So at last I am my teacher asked to give the uses of the polymorphism. So polymorphism means many forms of polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism: compile time and runtime. Compile time polymorphism is method overloading, and runtime polymorphism is a method overriding. With these both decrease the code duplicity and able and makes users to use again use the code. So that's all about the code. Thank you.